do a video walkthrough through the venue for my next meetup, just because my very first meetup I ever went to was actually at IKEA, and I had no idea where I was going, where it actually was going to be. I thought that we were meeting downstairs, and it wasn't. So luckily someone in an orange shirt had found me, and we found the place. But for just in case, so for anyone who has never had a meetup at IKEA, this is where to meet. So I'm super excited about our meetup, and I can't wait to see you there.